The Defence Ministry of India recently signed a contract worth over 10,000 crore for the procurement of which indigenous rocket system? A. BrahMos. B. Agni. C. Pinaka. D. Prithvi. Correct answer is Pinaka. The government signed contracts worth over 10,000 crore for procuring area denial munition Type 1 and high-explosive rockets for the Pinaka multiple launch rocket system, enhancing Indian Army's capabilities. Defense Secretary attended the signings, marking a significant step towards modernizing artillery and boosting indigenous industries under the Atmanirbhar Bharat vision. What is the name of the mission launched by Firefly Aerospace under NASA's Artemis program? A. Red Phoenix. B. Blue Ghost. C. Lunar Hawk. D. Star Chaser. Correct answer is Blue Ghost. The Blue Ghost lander, developed by Firefly Aerospace, is a spacecraft designed to deliver scientific payloads to the moon. Part of NASA's Artemis mission, it aims to advance lunar exploration, support sustainable human presence, and demonstrate private sector capabilities in space. In Forbes 2025 list of the world's most powerful countries, what is India's rank? A. 10th. B. 11th. C. 12th. D. 13th. Correct answer is 12th. Forbes ranks the United States as the most powerful country in 2025, followed by China and Russia. India's position at 12th was unexpected despite its notable economic and military strengths. Factors such as leadership, economic influence, political power, international alliances, and military strength are used for the rankings, developed by researchers from the University of Pennsylvania. China's Chang'e 7 mission aims to send a smart flying robot to search for water on which part of the moon? A. North Pole. B. South Pole. C. Equatorial region. D. Far side. Correct answer is South Pole. China is advancing lunar exploration with the Chang'e 7 mission, deploying a flying robot to the moon's south pole to hunt for water. This mission utilizes a six-legged, rocket-propelled robot designed to explore the moon's untouched regions, marking a step towards China's plans for a lunar research station and crewed missions by 2030. Which ministry has launched the Shatavari for Better Health campaign to promote awareness of Shatavari medicinal benefits, especially for women's health? Correct answer is Ministry of Ayush. The Ministry of Ayush has launched the Shatavari for Better Health campaign to promote awareness of Shatavari medicinal benefits, especially for women's health. Inaugurated by Shri Prataprao Jadhav, the initiative includes key officials like Vaidya Rajesh Kotecha and Dr. Mahesh Kumar Dadhich. Recently, 104 Indians were deported while attempting to enter the United States through the donkey route. Under whose administration did this deportation take place? A. Joe Biden. B. Donald Trump. D. George W. Bush. Correct answer is Donald Trump. A U.S. military aircraft landed in Amritsar with 104 deported Indians, illegal immigrants in the U.S. This underscores the persistence of human trafficking routes from India via Latin America and Mexico into the U.S., despite the associated dangers and hefty costs reaching up to 1.25 crore rupees. In which Indian state is the Surjakund Mela, one of the biggest cultural fairs, held annually? A. Rajasthan. B. Uttar Pradesh. C. Haryana. D. Madhya Pradesh. Correct answer is Haryana. The 38th Surjakund International Crafts Mela will be held from 7th February to 23rd February 2025 in Surjakund, Faridabad, Haryana. This famous fair is a grand celebration of arts, crafts, handlooms and culture. It also offers delicious food from different parts of India and the world. Which country recently announced cutting ties with the World Health Organization (WHO) after the US exit? A. Brazil. B. Argentina. C. Canada. D. France. Correct answer is Argentina. Argentina, following US President Donald Trump's lead, announced its plan to withdraw from the World Health Organization due to deep differences in the management of health issues and perceived political influences. President Javier Milei cited the previous government's COVID-19 lockdown and criticized the WHO's independence and handling of health crisis. According to a recent wildlife census, which lake in Himachal Pradesh recorded a record number of migratory birds? A. Dal Lake. B. Renuka Lake. C. Pong Dam Lake. D. Chandratal Lake. Correct answer is Pongal Dam Lake. The 2025 annual bird count at Pong Dam Lake Wildlife Sanctuary, a protected wetland in Himachal Pradesh, recorded an unprecedented surge in waterfowl, with a total of 153,719 birds of 97 species, according to officials. The census, conducted on 1st February, counted 144,371 migratory. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.